We are going to see mapping constraints or mapping cardinalities. So first we will see what is mapping cardinality. In DBMS, the important constraint is mapping cardinalities, which express the number of entities to which another entity can be associated through a relationship set. So mapping cardinality is nothing but it shows the association between the entity sets. Mapping cardinalities are most useful in describing binary relationship set. For a binary relationship set R between entity sets A and B, the mapping cardinalities must be one of the following. The types of mapping cardinalities are 1 to 1, 1 to many, many to 1 and many to many. So first we will see 1 to 1. The definition is an entity in A is associated with almost an entity in B, and an entity in B is associated with almost one entity in A. So this is called one-to-one relationship. Yes, to example, a student can have only one register number. The student entity is associated with number entity. So this is called one-to-one relationship. And next is one to many. An entity in A is associated with any number of entities in B. An entity in B can be associated with almost one entity in A. This is called one to many relationship. Example, a student can study many courses. So student is entity, course an entity. The relationship between these two entities is one to many relationship. A student can study many courses. And third is many to one. An entity in A is associated with almost one entity in B. An entity in B, however, can be associated with any number of entities in A. So this is called many to one relationship. So example, many courses can be studied by many students. This is called many to one relationship. So next, many to many relationship. An entity in A is associated with any number of entities in B. An entity in B is associated with any number of entities in A. Example, many vendors can sell many products. So vendors are entity, products are entity. So many vendors can sell many products. So this is called many to many relationship. So here we are using another term, existing dependencies. Existence dependencies from another important class of constraints. If the existence of entity X depends on the existence of entity Y, this means that if Y is deleted, X is also deleted. So entity Y is called dominant entity and X is said to be subordinate entity. This relationship, subordinate, dominant and depends on relationship, is called existence dependencies. So again we will see mapping cardinalities is nothing but relationship between the entities, or you can say association between the entities. So it expresses the number of entities to which another entity can be associated through a relationship set. So four kinds of mapping cardinalities: one to one, one to many, many to one, many to many. Okay, thank you.